St. James, Missouri. Today partly cloudy, high 43. Tomorrow, a high chance of thunderstorms, high 40. In Jefferson City, sunny, high 40. Tomorrow sunny, high 46. In Kansas City, Missouri, today, a high chance of thunderstorms, high 56. Tomorrow sunny, high 69.
A tornado warning has been issued in your area.
I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers, consulting with the rain, and my head I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching. If I only had a brain.
This storm season, if you see a fallen power line, stay well away and immediately call Western Power. It's essential we all do our part to keep our community and electricity supply safe. Make the safe call.
Fisherman's Friend. Never be without a friend.
This is a DTL-20 made by Federal Signal. Federal Signal has made some sirens like these, but however Federal Signal made new sirens. Their names are 2001 DHTT and the 2001 SHTT. Inspired by 550 DHTT and the 500 SHTT. They are made because North Korea nuked Los Angeles 5 weeks ago. The first town in Missouri that used the 2001 SHTT is the Lake of Ozarks. The first town in Missouri that used the 2001 DHTT is Salem. Coming up next is Tornado Catchers, then Mystery Space Events Explain, then National Weather Service broadcasts. All will be played after this commercial break.
A tornado warning has been issued in your area.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Clay County, Jackson County, Lafayette County, Johnson County, Pettis County, Cooper County and Manitou County till 8:50 p.m. At 8:47, a tornado was confirmed 5 miles south of Dearborn, Missouri and moving west at 311 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: trained weather spotter. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fort Leavenworth around 8:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. If in a mobile home, evacuate to a substantial structure. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway, or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. A large tornado has been confirmed. If you are in the path of this destructive tornado, take cover immediately in a basement or other underground shelter, and get under something sturdy. Take cover now. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area.
Delay. Seek shelter now.
I sawed this boat in half and repaired it with only Flex Tape. Not only does Flex Tape's powerful adhesive hold the boat together, but it creates a super strong watertight seal, so the inside is completely dry. Yeah, doggy! Just cut, peel, stick, and seal. Imagine everything you can do with the power of Flex Tape.
A winter weather advisory is in effect.
785, no residence here.
To prove our advanced all-wheel control can handle anything, Mitsubishi teamed up with Weather Underground and rode the first big storm of the season across the country.
Heavy snow will create hazardous, if not impossible, driving conditions.
It's really icy right here.
After 5 days, 6 states, and thousands of miles, we prove there's no such thing as bad weather. Ride the storm at MitsubishiCars.com/storm.
I remember the moment clearly.
I'll never forget that moment.
As long as I live.
I realized at that moment, when we first saw the damage, these people really needed us. And I was going to make a difference, right here in my community. Together with local responders, we cleared trees and collapsed walls. We had to get to the family trapped beneath. As a citizen soldier, I made a difference.
Be there for your community at NationalGuard.com.
Hey, what are you doing? Here.
All natural, no preservatives, with 5 essential electrolytes and not from concentrate, made with real coconuts straight from Thailand.
So, what do you want to do now? Really?
And this is home insurance, where members are covered for loss and damage due to flood or fire. Plus, they have access to great benefits and discounts.
See? We do a lot more than you think.
Get a quote today.
State officials urge complete evacuation. Severe flooding is expected.
It's okay. We're ready.
When the things that matter most are on the line, make sure we are too. The storm response team at 1-800-SERVPRO. Like it never even happened.
And now the weather. In Tampa, Florida, today, thunderstorms, high 80, tomorrow, cloudy, high 72. In Orlando, Florida, today, thunderstorms, high 82, tomorrow, cloudy, high 74. In Miami, Florida, today, The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following counties: Putnam County and St. John. The National Weather Service has issued a hurricane warning for the whole state of Florida till 7 p.m. Eastern Pacific Time Monday. At 10:30, Hurricane Andrew was headed to the Miami area in the Keys and was formed near Brazil. Category 5. Hazard, hurricanes, high winds and flash floods. Source: weather forecasts. Impact: be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. To stay alive a hurricane, you must Stay inside, away from windows, skylights and glass doors. If need be, stay inside a closet or room without windows. You can also lie on the floor under a table or sturdy object. Avoid flooded roads and watch for washed-out bridges. Do not walk through moving water. Even 6 inches, 15 centimeters of water can make you fall. And always remember, stay in shelter.
Hurricane warning.
When the weather turns deadly outside, with so many at risk, companies and municipalities internationally turn to BeSafe to protect their most important asset, their people. BeSafe is the industry leader in large-capacity commercial and industrial storm shelters, built to accommodate up to 150 people per unit. All BeSafe shelters are 100% heavy steel and are ICC 500 and FEMA 361 compliant. Their anchored and non-anchored shelters are engineered to withstand the destructive power of EF5 tornado winds. And along with offering the safest and most substantial storm shelters in the industry, BeSafe offers a long list of great optional features, including interior lighting, heating and air conditioning, voice and data capability, generator power, insulation, and so much more. Why put your most important asset at risk any longer when BeSafe offers a safe solution? BeSafe Industries manufactures all of its steel shelters in Missouri and will deliver and install anywhere in the United States and Canada. BeSafe customers are some of the largest companies in the world, and their shelters are known worldwide as the best of the best. Why would you even consider settling for less? Contact them today. BeSafe Commercial and Industrial Storm Shelters, your safest solution in commercial and industrial storm shelters.
Fisherman's friend. Never be without a friend.
A winter weather advisory is in effect.
To prove our advanced all-wheel control can handle anything, Mitsubishi teamed up with Weather Underground and rode the first big storm of the season across the country.
Heavy snow will create hazardous, if not impossible, driving conditions.
It's really icy right here.
After 5 days, 6 states, and thousands of miles, we proved there's no such thing as bad weather. Ride the storm at MitsubishiCars.com/storm.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. The hurricane warning that issued 3 days ago has exploded by unknown source. It is unknown at this time that the hurricane that exploded have the same strength as it has together. For this time, go stay in your shelter, stay away from windows and floods, and make sure you got a battery-powered radio until further updates.